each. 12 people got that wrong. So listen, $50 each. You just won $3,000. You added $3,000. You now have a total of $3,400. $3,400.
Morgan,
Here's your take then. Take the 3,400 and you
what'd you
go
do
with
to the
money
chat?
worth of.
She got down.
Let's go. Let's go for the mom. Start with the mom. She's got two questions. Portia Peters has gone from 0 to $3,400. Will she be able to take home $1 million? We'll find out right after this. Wake up, homeowners. Greenlight Financial Services can refinance your first mortgage now at 5.750% fixed for 30 years. But this rate is only guaranteed till Sunday. So call 866-66 faster now.